Go to this repository and click on this file. And now you need to copy this and go to overleaf.com. Sign in and create a blank project. Name it something and create. Replace the code and hit recompile. You can see the image.jpg is not loaded. This is because the image is not in the directory. Click on upload and select a file. This is the image we wanted to deploy. And now hit recompile. You can see the image is loaded. And now this template is ready. Click on download, save, open.